Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sony WF-H800 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your device, or they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, and you've already tried a soft reset or a reboot, you might need to move on to this hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set them up again because all of the pairing history and everything like that will be deleted off of them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting them up on a new device, you just want to get a fresh start and have them initialized to the way they were when they came out of the box new. We can do that really easily. All we need to do is put them in their case with the lid open as shown here, and we're going to come in and press and hold the buttons simultaneously on both earbuds for about 10 seconds until we see the lights on them flashing in red. Once the lights on them flashing in red, we want to go ahead and just let go, allow it to complete its reinitialization or its reset process, and when the indicators will flash blue 4 times, that tells you that the reset is finished. You can go ahead on your phone, delete them off your phone or whatever, and then take them out of the case and set them up as a new set of earbuds.